What is the sum? 5.86 plus 2.9 plus 7.1408 plus 35.933. So what is the sum? I-add lang natin. Pag nag-add tayo ng decimal, ayan, maramihan. Pag tapat-tapatin lang natin. So itapat lang natin, i-align natin yung decimal point. So we have 5.86, 2.9. So magkakatapat dapat yung decimal. So 2.9. So dito siya, 2.9. Dapat parehas ng number para hindi nakakalito. Ang 2.9, pwede natin niyang isulat as 2.90. Okay, so para may katapat lahat. And then we have 7.1408. Itapat natin yung decimal dito. And then we have 7.1408. So 1408. Kagaya kanina, lagyan natin ng dalawang zero ito para hindi nakakalitong mag-add. So lahat may katapat. And then we have 35.933. Yung decimal, itapat natin dito. So dito yung 3 at 5. 35.933. Gawin din natin 4 decimal places para pare-parehas 4 decimal places. And then i-add na lang natin parang whole number. So 0 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0, so we have 8. 0, 0, 0, and 3, so we have 3. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 3, we have 13, carry 1. Then 9 plus 1, so that is 10. And then 1 plus 9, another 10. And then 8, so we have 28. Copy the decimal point. And then add this, so we have 5 and 5, that is 10. And then 2, 2 and 7, that is 14. So, 14, that is 11 plus 10, so we have 21. And then 2 plus 3, we have 5. So therefore, the correct answer is letter D, 51.8338. Follow for more.